Hello, this is Will Middleton from WPCourseGuide.com, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the LifterLMS engagement settings and how you can send achievements to students. So to get started, we'll head to Engagements, then Achievements. From here, we can add an achievement. And so the achievements are very similar to the notification badges that pop up in the right-hand corner of the screen whenever something happens, when a student completes a lesson, completes a section. I have another video on notifications, but the basic notification type is what will pop up in the corner, and the achievement is one of those notification types. So we'll just do congratulations on completing the course, for example. And then the achievement title, and this will be filling up that box with content you want to go in there. So we'll just call it good job for now. The achievement content, I see you completed course X, and then you can change the badge here, but I'll just leave it like this for now. So I'll publish the achievement. All right, from here, we can go to Add Engagement. And I can say completed course X. And then the triggering event for this engagement will be, let's see, student completes a course. And I can select what course I want. So we'll just do this course. And then we will award an achievement. And the achievement we'll award is this one I just made. Congratulations on completing the course. And we can set a delay if you want in days, but I'll leave that blank for now. So now when I publish this, the student will get an achievement badge when they have completed the investing course. So that's the basics on the achievement settings, and students can view the achievements in their student dashboard, and you can also head into the notification settings and play with those as well. I'll just publish this and show you real quick. So if we head to LifterLMS settings, and then notifications, we can head to achievement earned, and this is the basic that denotes that badge that pops up in the corner. And here's where you can modify that achievement if you'd like, and award that to the student. So that's kind of how the achievement settings work. Feel free to let me know if you have any questions. Thanks for joining me in this video, and I'll see you in the next one.